चले। Hello students, today I am also describe the first chapter of class 12th, that was basically NCERT syllabus, and it is also helpful in the ICSE and UP boards. The name of the chapter is electrostatics. Electrostatic is an important part taken in our daily life that was also function at the different terms to like as electric charge, electric field, electric flux, and the charge particle projected uniform electric field, and the different cases of the Gauss's applications to like as electric field infinite long state wire. To find electric field strength between two oppositely charged parallel plate and two same charged parallel plate, and electric field strength for the infinite long state wire when the non-conducting plane sheet is placed between an electric field strength to identify the field inside the sphere and outside the sphere. Now we started the first chapter, electrostatics. The name of chapter is electrostatics. It is found between two words, electro plus statics. Now means electro, that was the value of total transforming electron, and statics, that means rest motion. Therefore, the combined word is electrostatics, that means the transforming of the charged particle in the rest motion, that is called electrostatics. It is an important branch of the physics which deal study to the transforming of the charged particle in the rest motion, that is known as electrostatics. The first main topic of the electrostatic is electric charge. Electric charge. What is electric charge? The virtue of the total transforming electron is known as electric charge. It was generally explained by the 600 BC ago, a Greek scientist Thales. He take a new type of material. Its name is amber, and another material to take a wool. After some times, then amber is rubbed at wool, then body are the closely packed. Therefore, amber and wool. Amber is behave as the donor and it have the positive charge. Amber is behave as a sector, it have the negative charge. But wool is behave as the donor and it have the positive charge. Therefore, the opposite charge are function between them, and the electrostatic attraction forces is function between the amber and wool. Another experiments. Experiment 2. When we rub a dry hair at a comb, after some times of rubbing, when the comb is nearby the small paper pieces, then we observe that comb is behave as the donor and paper piece is behave as acceptor. Therefore, the opposite charge is function between comb and paper piece. Comb have the positive charge and paper piece have the negative charge. Therefore, the body are closely packed to each other, and it is known as electrostatics attraction force. Electrostatics static attraction force. The another example for experiment, when the scientist will be take a ebonite rod and the glass rod. When the ebonite and glass rod are rubbed to each other, and after some time we observe that the ebonite and glass rod are closely packed. In that term, the glass rod and ebonite, we observe that a glass rod and that is the ebonite rod. Ebonite rod have the negative charge and glass rod have the positive charge. Therefore, the force of attraction is function between both body. It is also known as electrostatics attraction force. Another experiment. We observe that वहाँ कपड़ा गिरा था. Another experiment, we are also defined in that term of the electrostatic attraction forces is function between we take a ebonite glass rod and a glass rod, a charged glass rod, is hanged with thread at the stand. A uncharged glass rod is nearby. Uncharged glass rod